ImDontai.
Oh, hold on. Somebody getting bullied. Gotta see this. Anne Marie, Mari, KSI and Digital Farm Animals. Mari? What? Okay. Oh, it's about don't bullying? Don't play.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh.
Okay, shit.
Now the feels hit me differently.
Okay, Mari, hold on, bruh. Mari get her clown. She thinks she about to go crazy, bro. Look, to all the KSI fans that's watching this, I know it's Marie. It's Marie, but I'ma call her Mari. It's Mari.
Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently.
Oh, she about to learn how to box to fight down her foes because nothing can stop her. Plus, she's white, so you really can't stop her. What is you talking about, cuz? That was a joke, by the way. Relax. I mean, you know.
Shouts out to ImDontai.
Whatever, man.
Deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my
Wait, is that? Oh, that's her?
heart. Now the feels hit me differently.
Is she a big UK artist? Is she a big UK artist? There would be one person in the chat. There would be somebody in the chat that's like, she ain't even wrapping the gloves right, bro. Bruh. KSI is her trainer, bro. You think he cares, bro? You think he cares? No, shout out to KSI, bro. Shout out to KSI. Oh, look. He's showing her how to punch. Oh, shit. Can y'all be surprised why she not wrapping the gloves the right way? Hold on, let me mute these. I love y'all. I appreciate it. I'm gonna let you
Dante, you shared my fan art on your story a while ago. Just wanna say thanks for inspiring me to do what I love.
I love you. Love you. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. Don't stop. Even if people say your drawings is ugly, bro, stop. Just do it. Fuck them, bro. Like, fuck them. Don't fuck them. I mean, if that's your taste, you know, fuck them. Do it by all means. Sorry. All right. Thank y'all.
Don't play,
all that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360.
On beat. Why KSI slide on this like that? Why he sliding there like that? Why he sliding there like that?
don't play,
all that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck, with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap, no.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hit is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart.
Okay.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hit is deep.
I swear, I don't know what it is, but recently his songs and like the music video that goes with it literally looks like the song fits like a training montage of a movie. Like this is a movie. We're in the part where she's getting her training montage, and this is like some one of those early 2000 movies or something like that, bro.
Don't play, yeah, yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I played.
I like this.
And I win.
This sound like something I would hear in fucking Forever 21 or something like that. But that's a good thing, like, cause them songs be banging, bro. Them songs be banging. But it just sounds like one of those just popular pop songs, you know?
Cause now you just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No,
Don't play games with my heart.
With my heart.
Now the feels hit me differently.
Uh-oh.
When the hidden is deep.
Moment of truth. Did all this training pay off or what?
Don't play games with my heart.
Imagine getting beat by a girl in a glitter dress and heels. You just gotta, come on, you just gotta pack up the gloves.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play.
Yaga! Damn, kick the kick the chap off her lips, bro. That's just a you don't know. You don't know. Yo, KSI, bro. Learn to sing. I want to hear some singing, bro. I want to hear him on the track. Don't play with my heart. You don't know. You don't know, man. Don't play with my heart. You don't know. You don't know. That's like the only thing. That's like the only thing I know. What's another thing? What's another thing they be saying, bro? It's mad, ain't it? In it, it's mad, in it. You don't know. You don't know it's mad, in it. You don't know it's mad, in it, mate. It's mad, in it, KSI. Don't you try, cause you don't know, in it, mad. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Yo, shout out to KSI, bro. Shout out to KSI, bro. Keep it up. Keep it up. And all his fans. Get off my dick, nigga.